Okay, good morning once again. Yesterday we have seen the concept of finding area of quadrilaterals using Heron's formula. Okay, sir, do we have to do in register or rough? Okay, Aaron, you can try 5-6 questions in your fair register. That's it. Okay, if possible, do complete. If not possible, you don't want to do, you can try at least 5-6 questions in your register. Okay, good morning, Utkarsh, Tanmay, Garima. Now, question number 2 by Kamaljot. Kamaljot, in question number 2, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. I will give you hints of these questions. I guess I have started the recording. Yes, just started. So exercise 12.2, question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3, BC equal to 4, CD equal to 4. Beta Kamaljot, nothing is there in this question. It is simple. You have all the sides. You have one diagonal. You can take two triangles. See, A, B, C, and D. They have given AB as 3 centimeter. They have given BC as 4 centimeter, CD as 4, and DA as 5. Apart from these four, they have given us AC equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Someone is there in the waiting room. A call came on WhatsApp. Akshat, Bhuvanjot, Gurleen, Amrit, Banideep. Late. Now, Kamaljot, I guess you are able to understand now. If you take this first triangle, can't you find its area using Heron's formula? Similarly, the second triangle can't you find? And after finding, just add them. It is very easy. Kamaljot, okay? Now, in question number 3, yesterday also I gave you a hint. In question number 3, it is a combined figure. Question number 3 is a combined figure. Just for your hint, I'm telling you. In that combined figure, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. The first part, that is, it looks like a plane in which the first part is this triangle. It is not given in the question, but it can be taken as isosceles triangle, in which this is 5 centimeter given to you. This is 1 centimeter given to you. And we can take this also as 5 centimeter. This is the first triangle in the question number 3 figure. I hope all of you are able to see the figure. Class, this first triangle area you can find easily. Any issue? Just by Heron's formula you can find this. Please confirm P or R. If you have issue, you can type R. Okay. Then we have number 2, a rectangle. So we have a rectangle at second number. If you check, it is also very easy. Finding area of rectangle is very easy. What is the formula of area of rectangle? Given to us the length 6.5 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Area of rectangle is very easy. Length into breadth. You can easily find this second figure also. Then third one is a trapezium. This one I gave you yesterday, if you remember, and I hope you all have tried this well. This one is a little bit complicated because finding area of trapezium, we have a formula that cannot be used over here. Class, I hope you have tried this one. This is third part. This I will explain how to find. So given to us, this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter complete. Yesterday I told you to find, okay, some more people in the waiting room. It's good. At 8 they are coming. Now, so class, yesterday also I told you the formula of area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel side. If you observe, you have sum of parallel sides 2 and 1. So you can get this part 2 plus 1 easily. But the problem is this height. We don't have this height. And there is no way right now to find the height also. So what we did yesterday class, what will we do first? We will try to convert the figure into by construction. Please confirm. What shall we do? To find area of this trapezium, I will divide it in two parts, a triangle and a parallelogram. Class, what construction shall we do? CE. Okay. Good, Utkarsh. Rudra. We will draw a line parallel to DA. We will draw a line parallel to DA. It is a construction from our side. Let me call it CE. So construction, draw CE parallel to DA. And with this, it will become easy for us because we can prove this ADCE a parallelogram. ADCE is a parallelogram because AD is parallel to CE and DC is parallel to AE. Now, after this, if CD is 1 centimeter, we can say AE is also 1 centimeter. If this AD is 1 centimeter, that means this is also 1 centimeter. Now, this complete AB was 2 centimeter. That means this portion is 1 centimeter. Now, what can we say about triangle CBE? Class, what kind of triangle do we have? CB is a equilateral triangle, yes. And finding area of equilateral triangle is very easy because we just need a side for that. And we have the side as 1 centimeter. We can find the area as root 3 upon 4 a square. So let's find area of triangle EBC, that is root 3 upon 4 a square. And let's put the value. It is 1 square. So answer is root 3 by 4 centimeter square. We have got area of this triangle. Now, can this area help us to find the height? Class, yesterday I wanted you all to solve this part on your own. Can we use this area to find the height of triangle CBE? Yes, Janya beta, good. Good to see you here in the class. So triangle CBE, can we find this height, class? Is there any way to find the height? Yes, we can use another formula. Yes, we can use another formula to find the area. We have found the area using formula root 3 by 4 a square. We have got the area. Now I can use this value to find the height. How? I can say area of same triangle can be said as half into base into height. This thing I already know now. It is root 3 by 4. So let's put the value. It is equal to 1 upon 2 into base. Base is given to you as 1 centimeter and height is unknown. So class, what is the value of height now? Just solve this. 2 and 2 cancel. We have got h is equal to root 3 upon 2 centimeter. So this way we have found the height of triangle, and because these two lines are parallel, can't we say this height is also same as this height? Yes, class. This is suppose F. We can say CG is equal to DF. They are same. Now finding area of parallelogram. What is formula of area of a parallelogram? Class, please confirm. What is the formula of area of a parallelogram? Base into height. What is base of parallelogram? Class, what is base of parallelogram? So it is 1. And what is height? Area AECD is equal to base into height, and base is given to you as 1. Height we have found as root 3 upon 2. So answer is root 3 upon 2 centimeter square. I hope you all are clear with this thing. So we have found area of triangle as root 3 by 4 centimeter square and area of this parallelogram as root 3 by 2 centimeter square. Now we just have to add them. So area of trapezium will be given by area of parallelogram plus area of triangle, that is root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 4. LCM of 4 we will get 2 root 3 plus root 3 and answer will be 3 root 3 upon 4. If you want to solve it further, you can put the value of root 3, and if you don't want to put the value of root 3, I am totally okay with that. Okay, you can leave it here also, and if you want, you can put the value of root 3 as 1.73 and you will get the answer in decimals. I hope all of you are able to understand how I found area of a trapezium in which we didn't knew the height. Class, I hope you are able to understand how we found the area of trapezium without height. Please confirm. Okay, Bhavya, Utkarsh. Now, question number 4 is also a good question. Sir, is there any direct formula for quadrilateral? No, beta. No formula for quadrilateral. We have to take two triangles only in the case of quadrilateral. Okay. For parallelogram, we have formula base into height. For quadrilateral, we don't have any formula because the shape is not fixed. Quadrilateral can have any shape. Sir, in first part, how did we make a isosceles triangle? Okay, Utkarsh, we didn't make a isosceles triangle. We observed the figure. Normally, in a plane, if you observe, these parts are similar. The starting portion is normally symmetrical. That is why I said it is a triangle isosceles. Okay, by observation we told. One more thing, class, we have done 1 to 3 part. Sir, then we can use base into height in rhombus, square and rectangle. See, in square we use already, in rectangle we use already. In rhombus, if you go for that, yes, you can do, because these three are child of parallelogram. Moksh, these three are child of parallelogram. If parallelogram is area is base into height, they also can use the same formula. Okay, whatever parallelogram can do, they also can do. Now comes the fourth part. In this figure, if you observe the fourth part, class, fourth part is like this. What do you say? Can you say it is a right angle triangle, class? Can you say it is a right angle triangle, class? In the fourth part of figure, if you observe, this angle is not given to you, but by observation you can observe it is a right angle. You can say, beta, you can say in this figure they want you to say this thing. Okay, and it is also observable, it is a straight line only. You can prove this also. One thing given to you is 6 centimeter, this thing, and this one is given to you as 1.5. You can easily find the formula with formula half base into height. Okay, this fourth triangle, yes beta, in lines and angles we cannot observe. That chapter we cannot observe. Here they have given you diagram of an aeroplane. They have given you less information. Beta, why? I don't have any reason for why. Okay, do one thing. You don't let it 90-degree and try to find the area. Huh? If you are able to find, that's good. If you're not able to find, then you can observe this way. Okay, try once without observation. Okay, now I guess question number 3 is a little bit clear to you. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is very important question to understand these concepts. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. All of you try to make the diagram. A triangle and parallelogram have same base and same area. So class, we have a parallelogram and a triangle. Just tell me one thing. What happened to this? Oh, sometimes it fails to make the diagram. Class C, we have a parallelogram and a triangle with same area. If I draw this diagram, can we say it is correct? Class, please confirm, if I draw this diagram, is it correct? They should have same base but equal area. Yes, Moksha, very good. Piyush, good beta. This diagram is not correct. No, Aryaman, you have to observe roughly. Also you have to observe, they are saying the base is same. Okay, I have drawn the same base, but can you say the area is same? It is clearly visible, area of triangle is less than area of parallelogram, so our triangle should come out of this parallelogram. Okay, in the diagram we have to bring out the triangle outside like this. So we have to little bit use our senses also. Now it looks okay. Sir, I have a doubt in proof. Beta, which proof? Moksh? Class, now see. So a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. So given to you, given area triangle ABE is equal to area ABCD, that is parallelogram. Second thing, if sides of triangles are 26, 28 and 30, so let me take AE equal to 26 centimeter, EB equal to 30 centimeter, and AB as 28 centimeter. There is a reason why I have taken AB as 28, because the base is common and parallelogram is standing on 28 only. So this was the common base. Now class, tell me, how will you find the height of parallelogram? We want to find height of parallelogram. Please tell me, how will you find the height of parallelogram? By Heron's formula, Ojaswini. Ojaswini, by Heron's formula, you can find area of triangle ABE. That's okay. But how will that help you to find the length of DF? Very good, Vaishnav. Vaishnav is saying that area of parallelogram is based into height. It's okay, beta. But how will you find height? Tell me that. How will you find height? We have something given to us. You have to observe that and tell me, how can we find the height of parallelogram? First, we need to find Vaishnav, by Heron's formula, you can find area of triangle. Okay, Rudra, good. Vaishnav, okay. So there is a quadrilateral ABCD in which O is center and we. Moksh, you can give this question to me on WhatsApp, no? I will try there. Okay, Ojaswini, same area, good. We have to use this thing, class. We have to use this thing, that area of triangle ABE is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. So first we can find area of triangle. Then we can say this area is also area of parallelogram. And we can say it is equal to base into height. Base is given to us, height we can find. What do you say? Are you able to understand what I am saying? First we will find area of triangle ABE by a simple formula, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Sir, I was saying that only. Okay, Vaishnav, beta. Good. Ananya saying area of triangle equal to area of parallelogram and area of triangle equal to base is equal to height. But Ananya, area of triangle upon base give you height of triangle, not of parallelogram. Ananya, if you observe, area of triangle upon base will give you height of that triangle. So you have to take area of parallelogram in that case. Although they have same value, but still you have to write area of parallelogram upon base equal to height. Okay, Ananya? Okay, now see. So we have to find first area of this triangle ABE. Suppose we have found, it came something. Okay, after this you can say, suppose the value came as 30 centimeter square. Suppose this value came, you can say that area of parallelogram ABCD is also 30 centimeter square. I've just assumed this value. Okay, this is not the solution. Now what we can say is, as this thing is also 30, it is equal to base into height. Base is given to you as 28, height is df. Now it is easy for us, just isolate the base and get the answer. This way we can find height of this parallelogram. I hope you are able to use or understand this concept, class. Please confirm. What we have done is we have found area of triangle and then we use that area for parallelogram, and with that we have found the height. Okay, please confirm. Piyush has confirmed. Others, please confirm. So three sides are not given, Ariman is saying. Okay, Ariman, if you observe triangle ABE, you know AE, you know EB, and you know AB. Then why are you saying we don't know? Yes, Ariman? Beta, we have triangle ABE. Yes, beta, we have to first take the value of S. Ojaswini, I have not solved the question. I'm just trying to make the concept clear to you so that you can solve at your home. Okay? You can easily find. I have made you competent for all these things. You can find S easily. You can find the area easily. No issue is there. Oh, okay, sir. Okay, beta. Now, Ariman, beta, you are you able to understand that three sets are given to you? Ariman, if you observe, AB is given to us, EB is given to us, and AE is given to us. That's why I was able to find area of triangle ABE. Sir, where are the values? बेटा ये लिखी तो है मैंने यहाँ पर गिवन में. You can see ABC. अब बेटा ABC में क्यों अटके हुए हो? This is ABE. C तो यहाँ पर है बच्चे. Ariman, if you see the question, they are saying if the sides of triangle are 26, 28, 30. वही तो मैंने यूज किया है. अच्छा आपका भी आ गया. ओह ओके सर. ओके. Now question number 4 is done. Question number 5 is very easy. We have a rhombus. I think time is not there. 4 minutes are there. So I will just show you. We have a rhombus shaped field, has green grass for 18 cows to graze. So 18 cows graze on this rhombus area or this rhombus field ABCD. Very good. Now, if each side of rhombus is 30 meter, 30, 30, 30 and 30, and its longer diagonal is 48, suppose this one, we have to find how much area of grass will each cow be getting. Very easy. First we will find, class, first we will find, please answer. First we will find area of this rhombus. You can find by Heron's formula, you can find by half d1 d2 also, but for that you have to find the length of second diagonal. Explain question again, Moksh Tushir. Okay, Moksh. Very good, Ariman. Moksh, the question is saying we have a rhombus shaped field on which 18 cows graze. 18 गाय यहाँ पर घास चरती हैं. Now the thing is we have to find that one cow is eating how much area. We have to find that. So for that we will first find area of complete ABCD, that we can find by Heron's formula in first triangle, and we can do it twice for second triangle. So we have got the complete area. So 18 cows, complete area. One cow equal to complete area upon 18. Now is it okay, Moksh? Moksh, please confirm. Yes. Now question number 6. Again, I'm giving you a hint. Questions are very easy. You can solve them on your own. Okay. Question number 6. An umbrella is made up of stitching 10 triangular pieces. Very easy. You just take one triangular piece. Leave 10. In one triangular piece, if you observe, there are two different colors. Okay. One triangle is of white color. One triangle is of some different color, suppose red. The dimensions are given to you as 20, 50 and 50. Very easy. We can find area of one piece and multiply it with 5. It will be one color of cloth. And second also, similarly we can say second color. Class, I guess this one don't need any explanation. We have 10 triangular pieces of two colors, 5 of one color, 5 of other color. We have to tell how much cloth is required. It's very easy. Find area of one triangle and multiply with 10. You will get the complete cloth required. Okay. Now question number 7. Time is 29. Question number 7, I guess we will do last today, because question number 8 and 9 we have already seen these kind of questions. So question number 7 last for today. Let's see. A kite in the shape of square. Wow. So we have a kite in which the above part is given to you as a square. This is a square, and below part, okay, a kite in the shape of square with diagonal 32 centimeter. We all know in a square diagonals are equal. So this is given to you 32. That means this is also 32. A, B, C, D. So given to you is AC equal to BD equal to 32 centimeter, and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter. So we have a triangle also below it. Let me call it EF. Its base is given as 8 centimeter, side 6 centimeter each. Very easy. Now tell me, there are 3 different shades. This is first shade, this is second shade, and this is third shade. We have to find area of these 3 shades. First tell me, how can we find area of this first shade? Class, you know the length of diagonal. How can you find triangle ABD area? Please tell me, how can you find area of triangle ABD? Okay, very good. Half base into height. For that, you can say AO is equal to half of 32. Very easy. AO equal to 16 centimeter. And BD is given to you how much? 32 centimeter. So we can easily find by half base into height this triangle. Aryaman, Utkarsh, Rudra, all are correct. So triangle ABD area, very easy, half into BD into AO. By finding this, we have found the first portion. For second portion, no need to find, because in a square we have 2 equal areas. So second portion is same. The third portion, what will you do? In third portion, how will you find the area? By our beloved Heron's formula. So we have got the answer. With this exercise you all are ready to perform, to solve on your own. Okay, so let me stop the recording.